Hi, in part 3 we made everything for the Kumiko lattice. Now let's finish everything off. Shoji are relatively simple to make, and once you've learnt the steps and techniques that I'll show you in this short series, you'll be making your own very soon. In turn, the horizontal kumiko are woven into the upright kumiko and the halving joints rotated carefully into position. A tiny dab of glue on the long grain to long grain surface of the joint is all that's required. The frame gets assembled around the kumiko lattice, and I apply glue just into the mortises of the two stiles, and I let the lattice float in its mortises. So I'll attach the three rails into the one stile to begin with, and then make sure all the tenons from the lattice go into their respective mortises. That can be quite a challenge. Once that's done, I can get the hip board and slide the hip board in. Then finally glue and attach the second stile. Check for square at this point, adjust as necessary, and then leave to dry. Paper, ideally shoji paper, can be applied to the back of the lattice using glue, traditionally rice glue. Different papers will allow different amounts of light to come through, as is clearly seen on my workshop shoji. I wanted a solid back for my cupboard doors, so I prepared a piece of MDF to fit in the rebates that I prepared in the frame pieces. This gave the added advantage of having enough space to fit Euro hinges. Finally, the horns were sawn off from the top and bottom of the stiles. Traditionally they would be cut to the right length so that they would slide nicely in the guide rails. In keeping with this, I left mine a little bit proud of the rails.